Yo, yo, yo. Hey, this is Bobby Steele again. Hey, this is what I got. Check this out. Check this out. This is my new toy. You know, I got this right here. Check this baby out. You know, oops, can't even open it. It's already been opened. I think so. Oh, here you go. This is what I got. My tuner, right? I got this baby right here. Check this out. I'm gonna put my truck in beast mode. You know, it comes with all this baby right here. You know, the procedures, the steps, tire ups. You know, and with my truck, I think it's gonna be the Type C installation because I got this. I'm gonna swap the PMC out. So this is my next mod. I'm gonna put that RAM in beast mode. You know, I'm gonna get back to you, but this is just the unboxing of my next mod. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go through it, I'm gonna program it, and after I program, yo, this is what I'm gonna get. Hemi fever. Yep, so this is my next mod. I'm gonna install it, I'm gonna tune it, I'm gonna run it, I'm gonna run all the different tunes, and I'll let you know the difference, if there's any difference in the gas or any speed, in the power, and you know, I'm gonna let you guys know. But this is my next upgrade to my 1500, 2019 1500. I got an unlock PMC. I'm gonna swap the baby out and I'm gonna take it from there. And I keep you informed. Hey, this is Bobby Steele. You know, trying to build that channel up so I could get better equipment and start doing all the crazy things and editing. Right now, I don't do anything. I'm just using my iPhone. You know, so hey, if you like this video, hey, let me know. Give me your feedback. Give me your likes. Trying to make this channel build it up so I could get some equipment and get you some better videos and better content and more rehearse. You know. All right. Thank you. See you later. I will keep you informed. Peace.